Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. And today I will be showing you how to make this very easy flower. Okay, and it's double petals. Okay, so let's get started. So today I will be using my 2.5 millimeter hook, okay, and I will be using my white acrylic yarn. Okay, so whatever you have, guys, it's okay. Okay, so to start with our project, okay, we're going to make our slip knot and then insert our hook. Okay, and from here we're going to chain 5, 3, 4, 5, and we are going to slip stitch into the first chain that we created. Okay, so slip stitch, and from here we are going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we are going to wrap our yarn, okay, twice, and we are going to do triple crochet. Okay, so wrap twice and then insert into the middle and make our triple crochet. Okay, so we are making 3 of the triple crochet, so another one, okay, so that's we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so and then we have chain 4 here. What we're going to do now is chain 4, 3, 4, and then we're going back, okay, to the middle, and we are going to do a slip stitch. Okay, so that completes our first petal. Okay, from here chain 4 and wrap twice and then do our triple crochet. Okay, wrap twice, triple crochet, okay, so we have 2 there, wrap twice, and then this is the last of our triple crochet, and then after that we have to chain 4 and go back into the middle and slip stitch. Okay, so start again, chain 4. Okay, we just have to squeeze that, wrap twice, triple crochet, wrap twice, insert, do our triple crochet, wrap twice, insert, and then our triple crochet. Okay, so we have 3, chain 4, 4, and slip stitch. Okay, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, wrap twice, and then triple crochet. Okay, so we're just going to like squeeze that, wrap twice, triple crochet, wrap twice, do our last triple crochet, and we are going to chain 4, okay, and insert and slip stitch. Okay, so from here we are going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5, and then we're going to insert here do a slip stitch, chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, into the next petal, slip stitch, chain 5, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, into the next petals, in between. Okay, and slip stitch. Okay, chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one. Okay, so from here, okay, so we have this one that we created, so we're going to single crochet. Okay, so I'll show you again. Okay, so in here, okay, we have to insert and pull up and single crochet, and then chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then wrap 2, 3 times. That's treble crochet. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have to make 5 of these triple crochet. Okay, so the last one we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so wrap 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and do the last one, and then we are going to do 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then after that we are going to single crochet. Okay, so that is our first. Okay, then we are going to jump into the next, okay, by starting a single crochet, chain 6, and then wrap 3 times. Okay, and complete 5 of those. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have 3. There's 4. And 5. Okay, then chain 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, and single crochet. Okay, and then go to the next one. Okay, start with a single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3. and complete 5 of those. 1 2 3. 2 3. 1 2 3. Okay, so we have 4, and then our last. Then 6 2 3 4 5 6. So chain 6 and single crochet. Okay, single crochet into the same, so to close that off. And then next is we're going to jump and then start our single crochet. So that is our, this will be our last petal. Okay, so chain 6 3 4 5 6, wrap 3 times, 1 2 3, and then work in this area here. 1 2 3 4 2 3, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4 2 3, 1 2 3 and 4. See, 1 2 3 4, and then 3, we have the last one. And chain 6 3 4 5 6, and to finish it off, single crochet, okay, into the same one, and then after that we can just like fasten it off and finish our project. Okay, and then after that you're just like going to make this fixed up our petals, and there you have it. Okay, so it's very simple. Okay, and thank you very much guys for watching, and thank you very much guys for your support. I'm getting there, and hopefully 2021 will bring us lucky. Okay, and we are going to be all safe, especially with this pandemic. Okay, and guys, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button if you want it, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will get notified every time I will upload a new video. And for all my subscribers, thank you very much guys for your support, and until to the next video, have a lovely day. Bye guys.